Today we're at the Fox River, Lapeer, Wisconsin, Voyager Park. Here with Silent J. Got a guy named Hunter over there. He watched my videos. He's excited to see us today. My goal is to come out here, go over to that point. There's a guy fishing over there. I'm going to ask him for permission to kind of search. I'll give him a couple lures. Yeah, definitely ain't much down there. I might be kind of early. I'm done. I can't see much over here. It says 33 degrees, but it can't be that cold. Yeah, it's a nice one. These are like $6. Yeah, looks like it's been down there a little while. Yeah, it's a good color for down here. Yeah, both are. Just got over to the fishing pier. Got Silent J over there watching. I want to come out here and try to see if there's any lures in here. No line.
I always pull a lot of line out of this area, and it's just crazy how much it really is. If I don't take care of this issue right away, it'll wreck my hoses. Due to the cold water, my GoPro battery didn't last that long.
Just got done diving here in Voyager Park, Fox River, Lapeer, Wisconsin. Let's check out what we got. Got a little bit of trash out of here today, but the coolest thing I got is a bunch of lures. Check this out. Probably about 120 in there, I'm guessing, between jigs, lipless crankbaits, and some jerk baits. Got some rope out of there. Pretty cold dive today. Tried 2 different spots, but there's some people fishing out there, didn't want to get in their way. Did give a couple lures away because someone came down to fish and I was there, and I asked them to give me a couple more minutes. Great dive. It's sunny out. Yeah, nice and warm. What, 50 degrees, you think? Yeah. February 21st today. It's about 50 degrees out. Water felt like it was like 34. My gauge was saying about 32, but it's cold.